Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Smart Tank 615, and now I can show you how to copy in black and white on this printer. So first you need to open the lid and place here the paper card or book card with the content you want to copy. Then click copy in on your printer's interface. Now wait while I'll show you. So here on the printer's interface you have a copy button, so click on it and click start black. Wait a while. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.